Hello and welcome back to Music Mitra. My name is Bindu Nair and this is the channel where we talk about Carnatic music and how you can learn this art form from the beginning in a very simple and fun way. So, we have discussed so many topics earlier regarding how to start up learning of music by exercises of Sarali verses, Gente verses and so on. So if you have not watched those videos, I would like you to go back to my earlier videos and please watch them so you get a better understanding of what we are talking about. And also please do subscribe and click on the bell icon so that you know when new videos are being put out. Today's topic is Kala. What is Kala? Many times I have seen when I teach students, they have difficulty in singing in the right Kala or tempo or speed. Okay? They say first speed, second speed, third speed. What is all that? So the two main components of music, right? Melody and rhythm. Both are equally important. If one is lagging, then it's no longer soothing to the ears. So what is rhythm? Rhythm is a calibration of time, the interval between the beats. Like how we would say a scale is to a raga, we can say a tala is to the rhythm of the song. So technically speaking, it's a measurement of time and how the song progresses over a period of time, and it is divided into equal parts of maybe 8 or 16 or 7 or 5 depending on which tala we are singing the song or composition in. So this is a very important aspect in Carnatic music and we need to pay attention to it right from the beginning. So when a student starts learning Carnatic music, when he is in the stage of practicing his 7 swaras in Sarali verses and Gente verses, that is where we need to start our practice of Trikala or Talap, the 3 speeds. Now there are 3 main kalas or speeds. When something is sung very fast, that is called Durita Kala. Drita or Durita, both is you can call it. So in Druta Kala, the song goes pretty fast. So the interval between the beats or the time is less. Madhyama Kala is the medium speed, where it is going at a medium pace. Then you have the Vilamba Kala, where the song progresses at a very slow pace. So the beats are far stretched out. So these are the 3 speeds or kalas, and we call this entire management of the 3 kalas as Kala Pramana in music. So the understanding of Kala Pramana is one of the fundamentals of learning Carnatic music. So I want to show you how we can learn the Kala Pramana practice right from Sarali verses and Gente verses. So in Sarali verse, how did we learn? Sarigama Padanisa, Sanidapa Magarisa. Now this is set to Adi Talam and Maya Malava Gaula Ragam. So 8 counts for Adi Talam. So we have the 7 swaras and ending in the upper octave Sa. So in the first speed, we would take 1 swara per beat. So if I am putting the tala like this, Sa Re Ga Ma Pa Da Ni Sa Sa Ni Da Pa Ma Ga Re Sa. Now the hand remains the same. We are not changing the hand rhythm or the speed of the hand for second speed. That's very important here. Second speed. Sa Re Ga Ma Pa Da Ni Sa Sa Ni Da Pa Ma Ga Re Sa. Sa Re Ga Ma Pa Da Ni Sa Sa Ni da pa ma ga re sa sa re ga ma pa da ni sa sa ni da pa ma ga re sa. What did I do? Keeping the hand constant, we have doubled and tripled the speed of singing. So first we took sa re ga, each beat one note. Second speed sa re ga ma pa da ni sa, second speed. Third speed, four swaras. Sa re ga ma pa da ni sa sa ni da pa ma ga re sa sa re ga ma pa da ni sa sa ni da pa ma ga re sa. This is called Trikala. So when you sing any varisai in Sarali varisays, each varisai we will be singing in these three speeds without pausing the hand. The hand tala continues as it is. This is 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. This is our rhythm. We cannot change it till we finish all the three speeds. Start. Sa re ga ma pa da ni sa sa ni da pa ma ga re sa sa re ga ma pa da ni sa sa ni da pa ma ga re sa sa re ga ma pa da ni sa sa ni da pa ma ga re sa sa re ga ma pa da ni sa sa ni da pa ma ga re sa. This is three speed singing. So I hope you understood this. Now I'm going to take to the next lesson. So all the 14 varisays or 21 varisays, how many ever your guru has taught you, you can practice in this format. Same way, when we go to the second lesson, Jante varisai, there are double swaras. So here we practice the Vilambakala Tala. So here we put double. 1, 1, 2, 2. Each beat is 2 times now. Each finger is 2 times. So it will be sa, sa, re, re, ga, ga, ma, ma, pa, pa, da, da, ni, ni, sa, sa. The second speed will be sa, sa, ni, ni, da, da, pa, pa, ma, ma, ga, ga, re, re, sa. Third speed sa, sa, re, re, ga, ga, ma, ma, pa, pa, da, da, ni, ni, sa, 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 ni, ni, da, da, pa, pa, ma, ma, ga, ga, re, re, sa, sa. So what did we do? We took one swara per beat, first beat, same like Sarali varisai. So sa, sa, re, re, each one is one beat. Second speed 2 2. So sa, sa, one beat. Re, re, ga, ga, ma, ma, sa. The small finger became ga, ga now. Ga, ga, ma, ma, pa, pa, da, da, ni, ni, sa, sa, and so on. Same thing when we went to third speed, we took 4 4. So sa, sa, re, re came in one beat. Ga, ga, ma, ma, pa, pa, da, da, ni, ni, sa, 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 ni, ni, da, da, pa, pa, ma, ma, ga, ga, re, re, sa, sa. I'm just slowly splitting to show you how in each beat we are taking 4 swaras. So that is how we do the 3 speed practice. Why I'm telling this, many students I have seen, oh I know Jante varisai, okay, sing, they will start away say sa, sa, re, re, ga, ga, ma, ma. That's actually the second speed. You have to start slow. Sa, sa, re, re, ga, ga, ma, ma. Then sa, sa, re, re, ga, ga, ma, ma. Second speed. Sa, sa, re, re, ga, ga, ma, ma, pa, pa, da, da, ni, ni, sa, sa. That's the third speed. I hope you understood this concept of Trikala or 3 speeds, and you practice all your lessons like this. There is no hurry. Each lesson has to be slowly practiced in first speed, second speed, third speed without changing the pace of your hand. That is the most important. Otherwise what happens is we sing first speed at our own speed, then we stop, then we take second. Though we are taking 2 swaras per beat, but the pace of the hand would have changed, the speed is changed. And third speed, we make it even slower to make it more comfortable. So first speed is always fast, second speed is medium, and the third speed the hand slows down. So we have to keep the hand constant. That is the first thing we have to understand. So without stopping our tala, we have to continue into second speed and third speed. Hope you liked this video and hope you can practice your lessons like this and tell me how it helped you to do. I am trying to make some more videos of sing along where you can sing along with me for Sarli verses and Jente verses. So it will be coming out soon. So please tune in. Please subscribe so you know when those videos come out. And until then, happy singing. Listen to more music, sing more, and this is the biggest stress buster. We need those high doses of stress busters in today's world. So please make best use of music, and it's really going to do good to your life. Thank you so much for watching, and see you soon in another video. Bye.